assistants in this bitch. Make it rain. Make it rain. Y'all ain't think I do this shit. Pass some drink. Make it rain, y'all. Make it rain. I'ma just freestyle for you real quick. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no rapper for real. I'm just a CEO with a lot of motherfucking money and a motherfucking pretty man. Check it. Look. Check it. Wanna make it rain. I bring it pain. Yeah, number one in the motherfucking game. Look. Google YouTube, my attitude is rude. Niggas really stupid. Cause they get the tools up. I pull up in the new BMW. I see a girl. Yeah, she really looking. She said, Wanza, I heard you got that big dick. I bend her over and I hit her straight in the shit. I wear it real deep. Yeah, I fuck the raw squirrel. Yeah, I fuck the mama. Yeah, I fuck the girl. Yeah, I hit your aunt. Yeah, they in my world. Yeah, I got this paper. Yeah, I like this twerk. Yeah, I got the rap. Yeah, I got the yak. I'm the smoking weed. That's a motherfucking fact. Fuck the video. Fuck the fucking judge. I'm to get the paper cut. That's who wants the judge. I'm going raw right. Then he really filming. When he got the bitches and they always really feeling. Yeah, they call me Mr. Penthouse Sweet. Yeah, I had your bitch and I swept her off her feet. Yeah, she gave me head and I took the fucking knee. Got this pussy hair all over her shit. Your girl is a freak. She loves it so sweet. She loves the way it wants. Licking fucking shit. Yeah, I'm number one. Yeah, I'm the shit. Yeah, I'm a millionaire. You know what kind of grip. Yeah, I'm the strange man for August 30th. Yeah, I got the money. You know I'm gonna spit. Yeah, and I got the videos. Yeah, I have strip clubs. I do the videos. Yeah, want to bring in about 30 hoes.